Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix YouTube TV keeps logging me out. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just open the YouTube app on the Android device, and you will have to go to the profile icon on the top. So when it's open, so what you have to gonna do, you will remove it, the exit app, and you will have to just click to the Play Store and check the YouTube app for updation. So there is no update of app. So what you have to gonna do, make sure if the app makes update, you will have to click to update the latest version of YouTube app, and you have to open the setting and click to app management. Again click to the app list and you will have to find the YouTube app. So when you will have to find YouTube app, and there is the storage usage, you have to click it and you have to click to clear cache. So it will be fix your problem for logging out. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.